Grandpa's getting ready for the bath today. I think they just finished playing around and they are out of breath. Ready for your bath? Daisy right here. She needs a bath the most. They all ready for a bath. Oh gosh. Oh gosh. You're gonna get me all wet, Nuna. Alright, Grandpa's gonna watch you guys. I'll be back. And then we're gonna do a little bath, alright? So he got done with the rest, the jelly beans. They can just dry off, running around, dry off, alright? Good job. Rock, you're next. Grandpa said no soap involved, just water. Straight water, no soap, shampoo involved, guys.
Just take a bath, right?
Just take a bath, water only. Rock, you next.
Lucky, jump in the pool. Rock, jump in the pool. Come on.
Woo! They're drying off. The jelly beans are drying off. Rock, you next.
Yes. Oh, look. How spoiled they are. Right? You guys have fun with Grandpa? Oh.
So after the bath, look at this. Ruby. Ruby, what the heck?
Good boy. Stay. Good boy.
Sổ hồ à? Chứ không mẹ tắm cười quần sổ hồ à?
Rock's done. Go, Rock.
Oh, frozen for a minute. Come on,
Okay.
Rocky. Jump out. Good boy. Go. Show. Oh, no.
Attack, Mama.
No. Mommy's gonna hide, okay? You guys stay outside so they can dry, okay? Go. Ah. Is that rabbit? Uh-oh.
Let's see if this helps dry him off, alright? I'm gonna help dry him off. Ready, set, go!
Go! So Daddy can exercise too. Daddy exercise too. Look at Ruby. She's spying on people though. Is that done? One round? Oh my god. Nhỏ luôn nè, nó châm cao không ba? Good girl. Ruby, what you doing there?
Alright.
Get bedtime done.
That time done, guys. Say bye, Nuna.
Ooh, pretty girl. Hi, Nuna. Come here. Good girl.